975. 1 million, 1.2. This week or tomorrow, new sets of patients going to, the city is going to pay 1 million, 2 million pesos. In this facility, because of you guys, TY, walang cost gas. Kaya pag nakikita ng mga pasyente rito, ginawa, pinainom, ginamit, total father, 300,000. Grand total, 0. Why? Courtesy of the taxpayer of the city of Manila. That's why, pipilitin ko mag-inam, pipilitin ko mabuti, sinupin, gastahin ng maayos yung ating little resources. But, whatever resources, Father, that we have, whether it is limited or big, doesn't matter. Big chunk of it will continue to be dedicated and invested into MBN, minimum basic needs, housing, education, healthcare, and jobs. Doon mapupunta ang salapi ng taong bayan, kung saan ang goal ng pamahalang lungsod ng Maynila ay pataasin ang antas ng pamumuhay. Hindi po kayo yayaman sa akin. Hindi po ako Lotto outlet. Pero pwede ako maging tulay ng
muli po palakpakan po namin Vice Mayor G. Atienza at Yorme Isko Moreno Domangos. Muli, bagong pasilidad ang emergency room ng napakaganda at maaliwalas na ospital ng Maynila Medical Center. At upang ibigay ang kanyang mensahe ng pagbati,
po kayo, good morning. Ay, maraming salamat, Director Maradi at sa po ng iyong mga kasamahang naglilingkod sa ating mamamayan sa usapin ng pangkalusugan. Excited ako para sa inyo. You know, this is a very new building. Sad to say, I think it's a 7-year-old brand new building. But any building for that matter should be maintained. It cannot be neglected. Kasi once na tinayo mo, bahala na si Bathala o maayos o hindi. In fulfilling our commitment to deliver better health care, public health care, as you all know by this time, we've been trying to unclog foot traffic to our hospital by empowering our frontline healthcare facility, which is modernizing our health center and reviving those who were close. Pero mo, 3 taon lang ako nawala. Ang daming health center na nasara. How can we do that? How can we do such thing as the population grows and health challenges economic and health challenges are existing and continue to grow. Numbers don't lie. We, as government, should continue to empower our frontline healthcare facility so that magkaroon ng ease in terms of foot traffic and demand for our hospitals. And rest assured to our doctors, nurses, medical and non-medical personnel at Hospital ng Maynila and other hospitals, we will continue to strengthen, widen, reach as many as we can to deliver good quality healthcare. On your side, you soon, the city and the country, for that matter, will now enjoy the more production of medical professionals. Our dreams and aspirations of the city of Manila as part of the nation building approach is to produce more doctors, dentists, nurses, medtech, and so on and so on. If we are now producing about at least 300 under Pamantasan Luzon ng Manila, we soon in this corner you will have an institution that can produce 5,000 on maximum. So that is good for the city, good for the country, especially for the people of Manila. To reinforce our medical professionals in community healthcare. And we are on track in acquiring medical professionals in our 7th hospital, in Baseco Hospital. We are halfway there. So imagine mo, in just 8 months, it was just sitting duck, or what you call white elephant. But upon assumption, nakita ninyo, ano dyan na, functioning, and it's going to be full-blown first level hospital, hopefully crossing there at the end of the year. And so, as a, again, continued commitment to our people and to our doctors and nurses and non-medical practitioners, there will be a new Boston in the city of Manila. Just for the record and your information, while wala tayong kapera-pera, namili pa ako ng lupa. We bought a property 1,600 square meter. We are now in possession of the property. Thanks to the national government. Napumbay ko siya. Binayad ko. We're gonna pay for it in the next 10 years. And now we are in possession. Now we are in the end of our journey with DOH with regard to acquiring PTC, permit to construct. So that 500 square meter of 32-year-old Hospital ng Tondo will now be housed at the main road of the city, located in District 2, 1,607 7-story air-conditioned public hospital for District. So, today, itong maliit na corner na ito, madalas kong pasyalan sa Peligro de Ora, 5 oras. Naawa naman ako sa mga doktor at pasyente natin, puro amag ang hinihinga ninyo. But rest assured, this is not just today, for today. We will continue. Kahit na gipit na gipit tayo, kakasyahin natin yan. Yun yung nare-regular na natin. Yung share ng mga ating healthcare. Ano na ngayon? Kaya lang, gusto na magpadistino sa ospital eh. But rest assured, what is due to you, you need not ask for it. It will be given to you. And equally. Kaya, of all these things that I have said, pwede ba ako makikisuyo sa inyo? Ito, lagi kong pinakikisuyo. Isa lang naman, wala akong hinihiling. Pwede ba mag-smile kayo lagi sa mga pasyente ninyo? Ano wala kayo sa akin? I grew up. Alam mo, hindi nga sapat yung description na Islam. Pero may salitang sinasabi yung mga matatanda. Ako'y pinanganak na mahirap sa dilang mahirap. Kumbaga, kung 3 level ng hierarchy, yung pangatlo sa baba, nandun pa ako sa ilalim. Pag kami nagkakasakit, takbuhan namin, Osiris, San Lazaro, niyari yung Wepax ko dyan sa San Lazaro. Yan yung hiringgilya nung araw. Ano pa yung Yung stainless. Daman-daman mo yun. Lumang ka sa iyo. And based on my experience, alam niyo, pag nangingitian kami ng magandang nurse, magaling na kami. Pag yung doktora, maliwala sa pakikito mo. Piling ko gamot na yung ipin ng doktora. Kasi pag nakita mo nakangiti, para bang gayak na gayak, tuwang-tuwang ginagamot ka. Eh, madalas ng araw, ang nakukuha lang namin, Togmolodon, Aspirin, Yakapsul. Yun ang naman ang nakukuha namin. I'm telling you, ako as a patient, as a patient, I'm speaking like a patient na generally, yung naranasan ko ay still existing ngayon. Pag nangiti kayo, tawi ng lahat ng bighati at sakit. Eh, hindi niya napapasin. Dalawang anak ko, pwede ko naman ipadala sa St. Luke's. O saan ko pinadala? Sa ospital ng Maynila. I can afford to send them to private hospital. But even my wife, my ex-girlfriend, dali mo doon sa ospital natin. They've been taking care of doctors and nurses of this facility. Why? Because that is the message to the middle class. Which is, sila yung unang tinatamaan economically kung nagkakasakit. Kasi ang middle class, may konting tinalian. May naisubihan na konti pang emergency. But the problem with that kind of emergency, with economic, sa perspektibo, economically, is nauubos, dala na hindi nila tayo mapagkatiwalaan bilang public hospital. But look at PGs, but look at the heart center. Now look at hospital ng Manila and other hospital. Yeah, that is a message that I'm trying to send to any John Doe's and Mary. You can bring your family here because I have the best doctors, I have the best nurses in public healthcare. That's what I believe. Am I correct in my assumption? It's up to you to prove. But that's what I believe. So pwede, posible. So wala nang toskas. Saan kayo nakakita? Ito ayoko lang itamos ng ilong ninyo. Pero bagay lamang na makapaglalakad tayo lahat ng iskinita, kalsada, anumang oras ng araw. Masasabi natin, birihin mo sila sa iba, pag tinubo yung ugat ng puso nila, nomad ka. 80,000, 50,000, yan. Sa Maynila, Hospital ng Maynila,
Libre.
allows. It's very expensive. Let's be honest to ourselves. Ang masakit pa rito, pag tusok, parado. Darating na yung mga cardio interventionist o madalit salita sila malabanan. Lalagyan na ng tubo, bubuka, we call it stand. And that's a very expensive little metal. But the city is shouldering it. Ito baka may maligaw. Hindi, nag-charge nyo naman yan sa PhilHealth. That's not true. You know why? Once elective, wala, hindi mo ma-charge. Kaya sabi ko, pinaliliwanag ko sa PhilHealth, baka baguhin niyo yung policy niyo. Kaya ako nagpapaganito kasi bago pa atakihin, magawad na. Kasi sa kanila, atakihin ka muna bago ka makakuha. Para mabago nila based on our experience. How much is angioplasty? Easily, 500,000. Yung mga binabayaran ko sa Heart Center, 975. 1 million, 1.2. This week or tomorrow, new sets of patients going to, the city is going to pay 1 million, 2 million pesos. In this facility, because of you guys, TY, walang toss gas. Kaya pag nakikita ng mga pasyente rito, ginawa, pinainom, ginamit.
Total father, 300,000. Grand total, 0. Why? Courtesy of the taxpayer of the city of Manila. That's why, pipilitin ko mag-ina, pipilitin ko mabuti, sinupin, gastahin ng maayos yung ating little resources. But, whatever resources, Father, that we have, whether it is limited or big, doesn't matter. Big chunk of it will continue to be dedicated and invested into MBN, minimum basic needs, housing, education, healthcare, and jobs. Doon mapupunta ang salapi ng taong bayan, kung saan ang goal ng pamahalang lungsod ng Maynila ay pataasin ang antas ng pamumuhay. Hindi po kayo yayaman sa akin. Hindi po ako lotto outlet. Pero pwede ako maging tulay ng ginhawa ng buhay. Yan ang goal ko. Yan ang pangarap ko. Maging maaliwalas, panatag ang pamumuhay sa akin. But for now, this is our showcase to you that we care. Hindi namin kayo alila. Hindi namin kayo inaalila. Ayaw kong parang ipinakikita namin sa aming mga kapitbahay, kami nagkagaling-galingan. Pero yung mga nasa loob ng bahay namin, hindi naman napapangalagaan. This is the proof of it. I don't want you to in a facility that the way I see in health center, another hospital, na parang Diyos ko, anong iraya tayo. But rest assured to our doctors and nurses, other medical practitioners, non-medical practitioners, we will, in our own little way, continue to dedicate our time and effort, whatever resources that we have, to be invested in this type of thing. So, good luck sa inyo. Masaya ba kayo? Pero ito, napaka-social. Pintura na lang, antibacterial pa. Flooring na lang, antibacterial pa. But more than that, happy kami ni Vice Mayor Chi Atienza to dedicate this to you. Gamitin nyo na ito mamaya. Naawa na ako doon sa mga nasa sauna bath. Para sauna bath yun eh. Ang init-init sa tent. Kahit naman sa may airport. Ngayon, at least, Director Barati, mga alas 12 ba? Kaya nyo ng ano to? Kaya na? 1 o'clock. Natatawa ko dito kay Director Barati. Alas 11 ng gabi, tumatawag sa akin, Sir, hindi pa tapos. Hindi familiar si Doc Barati. Huwag kang mag-alala, tawagan mo si Andres. Because when we commit, we try our best, Father. Niawan Diyos. To commit and deliver. Kung meron man, hiccups lang. Yun din. Ayan, tatapos. Ayan, sa iyo na to, Dr. Barati. Mag-ingat kayo and God bless you. Maraming salamat. Manila! Thank you. You join us, please. Come here. Extra lang kami dito. Okay. Pati ribbon. Galing ni Amanda. Okay, 1, 2, 3.
Sunod na po.
Sorry po, I'm sorry. Pinaliwatas kasi nung umpisa namin yan. Tuloy ko nakahiga ka, pasyente ka, nagulog ka. Kaya maganda nagagamit ko. Kasi nung ginamit ko dito, pumagalas ka sa ngayon. Malamot na siya. Yung ginamit ko nung na-hospital ko. Magalasgas po eh. Ina-almeral ba yun?
Almeral, Rodriguez.
Ito, hindi naman. Hindi naman na.
Hindi na puti.
Sa akin rin. Logo na talaga yung parang yung sinilang screen. Yung simple video. Lumaya yung original design niya kasi ang logo niya. Parang nasa yung si Doctor. Sa akin. And it created the openness created an atmosphere. Kasi dati, usually is compartmentalized kayo. Ito yung mga may apat. Baklas lang. Nakita mo ba ito nung ginawa yung puro ako? Sa akin po, isa talaga. Teka, ano yung kasi pagka-glass, pagka-talis sa pasangalan. Saka may purpose, hindi siya ordinary yung lino. Pinalinan ko kasi lahat. Pero bago na ginawa, nag-bring cut kasi ang time na yun yung months. Bring cut na. Kaya nung sa baklas, Kandi, paulit-ulit na lang injection. Nakakabit na yung ano. Injection. Susunod nyo yung glass. Yung lakasan ng glass. Fifth floor ba yun?
Wala pa yung mga classmates yun.
Home building. Magkano na po?
Tayo sa rehab.
Kasi bago laban. Importante. Mayroong nangadugyot na bago laban. Lagi mo may iba. Makaan. These are simple things. Amoy daw niya. Mukhang daw niya na.
Amoy daw ni
Nagpa-spray po pa niyo.
Sarap na sa feeling. Mukhang daw niya na.
Amoy daw ni
Nagpa-spray po pa niyo.
Sarap na sa feeling. Oh, Ed! Ano oras na ulit? Okay. Let's give it to them. Kayo na bahala. Gano'n na kayo, maggayak na kayo today. Kasi yung singaw ng lupa lalakas pa dahil init ulan. Tapos nasa 10 kayo. Yung alimuong. Yung, kamo, lumabas lang ako sa Rizal Park. Tinama na kagad yung boses. Singaw ng lupa. Eh lalo yung may sakit. Maggayak na kayo today. Open ito sa mga... Oh, Isel! Thank you ha. On time na naman kayo nila Andres. Sunod natin, GAT. Pag-aralan nyo na yung GAT ha. Kasi isang palo. GAT. At least yung front line lang ma. Tapos kasi yung Austin okay na yun. PTC na lang yun. Ikaw na.
Ayun daw, yun.
Nagtayo ng ospital doon sa iyo, 10 taon na hindi pa natatayo.
Diskaya na yun.
Nadiskaya. Unti-unti, basta makaluwag ako ulit. Ito, it took me a while. It took me a few months when I visited this. Wala. Naghanap lang talaga ako ng pera dito. Tapos, tinabi ko na parang same thing with the a better working environment. That will benefit also the patient. Nakita ko to kung gano'n ka-busy to. Talagang busy-busy kayo ng punong-puno. Takbuhan tayo ng oh, thank you ha. Thank you.
Ito pinotoxic ko.
Pwede ka na matulog po. Pwede ka na matulog po.
Why I go on duty up to 2 o'clock in the morning. 11 go beyond. Kasi minsan konting push na lang. Okay, kung madidinig. But physically, the day results matter. Worth it. Napagod na. Si Giselle, naligo na. Mukhang ka, hindi pa eh. Galing. Ganda. Pati yung mga opisina, no? Nilagyan nyo ng through and through, no? Hanggang doon sa morning. Okay, good luck sa inyo. Sa inyo ito, pasensya na sa pala, ha? One week kayo na pala. Sabi nga, dadali din ang ginawa. Sige. Good luck.
Atag mo na ako.
Alam mo na talaga, ay mas kasi OB. Tres. Ngayon, nawala yung isa pa. Thank you. Congratulations.
Sakit nung ano sa taas. Kailan kasi
District.
5 minutes. Ay, 10 minutes.
Tapos na design. Was me parang to live side by side. So hindi parangan yung tapos na siya. Actually, mag-express sa sarili. Ano yan? Just yan. Pinapasok. We'll have a better air quality. Ngayon medyo challenge. Pero at least silyado naman kayo. After that, mas marami ng graduate ng kaya sarap gastusin eh. See? Kaya sarap puhunan eh. May trophy ka taon-taon. Pagka labas ng listahan, board, 10, top 1, top 3. Kaya kahit wala tayong pera, kasi I became mayor, it started at 250. I made it up to 350. When I left, went back to 200. So cut down. Now the school is across and but just to, college school lang. 2 weeks ago, I added additional 50. Tapos pipilitin ko year on year. Anyway, kasi may cost. Ang mahal ng kasusi sa so, I'll do my best. Continue to may awa yung Diyos lang. Nakakaraos naman. Kahit tukod na tukod tayo. Sige. Thank you. O pati yung ano tawag dito? Treyot sa tawag dito. Sabi mo dito siya, sino ba yung ninanakaw kasi yung wishi-wishi? Bidet. Ikaw ba yung head ng ano? Narinig niyo ba? Yung bidet? Balik yung bidet. For hygienic purposes, lalo na sa babae. Tapos pabandayan nyo, sabi mo sa kanila, pag ginagawa nyo yung bidet, hindi mabibenta yun. Fake na stainless yun. Hindi yung tunay na stainless. Mukha lang stainless yun. Pero ang purpose yun for hygiene. Balik ko sila sa amin. Itong araw, patupo ng matinis na bata. Mas mahirap yun. Kasi mabandayan nyo yun. Kasi nakita nyo yung mga tela. Wala. Nasa dapat. Sabi mo ha, promise ha. Anyway, may katulong ka naman.